to the next topic is what? Globe. So here Factopedia is given the term globe is derived from the globus, a Latin word. Mark this line. This globe word has been derived from the Latin word globus. It means a sphere or round mass. As I have said in the earlier video also, why it has been said sphere? Because I've said now a Portugal sailor who has sailed his things around the world, and he has discovered that the earth shape is what? Sphere. That's why globe shape is also what? Sphere. The scale of globes to earth is measured at 1:40 million, because the earth has the circumference of 40 millions. That means earth has the circumference, that if it moves, it has a circumference of what? Circumference means what? The portions, yes, 40 million, the portion of the sphere or a circle. So one thing is there, what is globe? In your mind it may come, what is globe? This one is what? Globe. As you have seen in your home also, I hope, yes, or you can see in museum, or you have seen in your school also. So globe is a sphere on which our map of earth is presented. It gives the accurate information about the size and shape of a landforms and the features of the earth. It is a miniature model of the earth. That means it is the what? A perfect model of an earth, where each and everything we can find out from this globe. So if it is said what is globe, you can simply say that a globe is a model of an earth. It represents the earth. It shows the distributions of water. You will not get this line in here, okay? So it shows the distribution of water and land on the earth. It shows the distribution, how water is distributed, how land is distributed on the globe. On a earth, we can see from the globe. And also all blue colors, all the blue colors in this globe, as you can see, all the blue colors in this globe is water, and all the colorfuls are what? Land. And all the colorfuls areas, green colors, are what? Land. So first globe was made in 1942. First, who made this globe? Martin Brigham has made this globe when 1942 he has discovered the globe. Okay, now see here, a globe is a sphere on which earth is presented. It gives the accurate information about the shape and size of a landform and features of a earth. It is a miniature model of the earth. When you look closely, you will notice that globe is fixed. Globe is what? Fixed on a slightly incurred rods. Incurred rod, these are the rods you can see here. It is fixed. A globe is fixed with these rods, okay? And here hole is also there to hold this sphere of gold. The globe can be rotated on these rods. So globe can be rotated with the help of these rods, which denote the axis of the earth and imaginary line. See here, you can see the imaginary line. See, you can see here the imaginary line. This is the imaginary line. This is the equator. And after, in the later of the class, we will explain you the latitude, then longitude, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. This portion is known as northern hemisphere, and this portion is known as what? Southern hemisphere. The two ends of the imaginary lines are called what? Pole. So these two lines, imaginary lines, you can see these are known as what? Pole. The upper one, this is the upper one. This is known as what? Northern hemisphere. This is known as what? Northern hemisphere. And this one known as what? Southern pole. You can tell as hemisphere also, or you can tell as pole also. Northern pole and southern pole. So midway between the northern and southern pole is an imaginary horizontal line which is known as equator. See here, this line is known as what? Equator. This line is known as what? Equator. This line is known as what? equator. You can see this line is known as what? Equator. So this line divides the earth into two equal hemispheres, as I have said you. The upper one is known as northern hemisphere and the lower one is known as what? Southern hemisphere. Each part has been divided equally, northern and southern. Okay. There are also number of other lines on a globe. You can see these lines. I will explain you. These lines are also imaginary and help us to locate any place on it. The vertical lines are known as longitude and the horizontal lines are known as what? Longitude. Now tell me, which is longitude and which is latitude? Can you tell me? Horizontal means what? Slipping line, or you have to say me. Vertical means what? Slipping line or standing line, and horizontal means what? Standing line or slipping line. Okay. Latitude, we have to just learn the imaginary line midway on the globe is called as equator. As we know, the middle portion of the globe is known as what? Equator. Now see, the slipping line are known as what? Latitude. The slipping line is known as what? Latitude. The parallel line running from west to east. The parallel line running from west to east. North, south, east, east, west. Yeah, isn't it? So the west to east, the parallel line which run, they are known as parallel all latitude. They are known as what? Parallel all latitude. From the east to west, the parallel line moves. See here the parallel line. These are the parallel line. Okay. So these are known as what? Latitude. This middle portion, this blue part is called equator, and the east to west, these parallel lines are known as what? Latitude. So there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. As you can see, this is the 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yes or no? 10, 20, 30, 40. So there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and there are 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. So total there are 180. The importance parallel of the equator are equator 0 degree, Tropic of Capricorn 23, 1/2 of South, Antarctic Circle 66, 1/2 degree South, Tropic of Cancer 23, 1/2 degree North, Arctic Circle 66, 1/2 degree North. These are the importance parallel line in the latitude. All the line parallel to the equator form a complete circle. That means all the line parallel to the equator complete a full circle, because it is what? Round shape. So this line will complete in the back side of the globe also. So it is a complete circle. The length of this line keep decreasing as we shift from the equator toward the pole. This line will be decreasing as when we move from the equator to the pole. When we move equator to the pole, it what? Lines are what? Decreasing.